Harvest season is a time of abundance, celebration, and hard work for farmers worldwide. This year's harvest has been extraordinary, marked by record-breaking yields and stunning agricultural feats. Harvest season is the culmination of the agricultural cycle. It ensures food security, economic stability, and the ability to reinvest in the next planting season, impacting communities, economies, and global food supplies. Advanced technology has fueled this year's exceptional harvest. Precision farming, state-of-the-art machinery, and innovative practices have revolutionized crop growth and harvesting, leading to healthier crops and higher yields. Farmers globally report unprecedented harvests. In the American Midwest, corn and soybean yields have surged by 15%. Southeast Asia's rice farmers celebrate bountiful harvests thanks to smart irrigation and pest management. Climate change shapes agricultural outcomes, presenting both opportunities and challenges. While some regions benefit from longer growing seasons, extreme weather events pose significant risks, prompting adaptive strategies. Sustainable farming practices are crucial for future harvests. Techniques like crop rotation, efficient irrigation, and integrated pest management balance productivity with environmental stewardship, ensuring fertile land for generations. This year's harvest season showcases modern agriculture's incredible potential. As we celebrate, let's continue to innovate and adopt sustainable practices to ensure future harvests remain just as fruitful. Harvest goals. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.